Today, we're talking about a hot topic in the crypto world, XRP. It has taken quite the tumble, dropping nearly 10% after the SEC filed an appeal against Ripple. Yeah, it's a big deal, and it's got the whole XRP community buzzing. So let's dive into what is going on, what this appeal means for Ripple, and how the markets are reacting to all this drama. All right, let's get right into it. XRP has dropped by 9.78% following the news that the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has filed an appeal against Ripple Labs. If you've been following XRP, you know that Ripple has been in a long-running legal battle with the SEC over whether XRP should be classified as a security. The SEC's appeal is just the latest twist in this ongoing saga. So, what exactly is the SEC pushing for in this appeal? Well, they're challenging some of the favorable rulings that Ripple got in the earlier stages of the case. Specifically, they're aiming to have a federal court reconsider certain aspects of the case that didn't go their way, which has got investors worried that a protracted legal battle could mean more uncertainty for XRP. Let's talk about how this news impacted the market. Almost immediately after the appeal was filed, XRP's price tumbled. In fact, the coin dropped around 10% in a pretty short span of time. That's a pretty significant dip, especially considering that XRP has seen some positive momentum earlier, with Ripple winning a partial victory against the SEC. So this appeal feels like a step backwards for a lot of traders and holders. The sentiment across social media is definitely mixed. On one hand, there's frustration and a bit of panic selling from traders who are worried that the appeal could drag out the legal progress even longer. You have seen it in Reddit feeds and on X. People are worried about the prolonged legal battles and what they mean for the price action of XRP in the future. So, what does this appeal mean for Ripple and XRP going forward? In the short term, it's definitely going to be creating a lot of uncertainty, and markets do not like uncertainty, especially in crypto markets. So, with the SEC doubling down on their stance, the possibility of further legal entanglements is high. So that could mean more dips and volatility for XRP's price as traders react to every update. However, it's important to note that Ripple still has supporters who believe in the long-term value of XRP. Some folks are saying that this is just a dip, it's just an overreaction, and that the underlying fundamentals of Ripple's tech and partnerships haven't changed. But until there's more clarity on the legal front, the market will likely remain cautious. So let's get into the social sentiment of it all. On social media, you've seen a mix of reactions. Some traders are saying, well, here we go again, and taking a more pessimistic view of Ripple's and XRP's short-term future. You'll see a lot of posts on Reddit and X from people frustrated about the SEC's relentless pursuit of Ripple, saying that they're stifling innovation and hurting the crypto industry as a whole. But then there are a few who are staying bullish, calling this dip a buying opportunity, and they believe that XRP has strong fundamentals, and that once the legal dust does settle, it could still have a big role to play in the future of crypto and cross-border payments. There's definitely a divide between those who see this as just another bump in the road and those who think that this is a sign to get out while they can. So what should you do if you're holding XRP right now? Well, it depends on your risk tolerance and how you see the long-term potential of Ripple. If you're someone who doesn't mind riding out the storm and you believe in Ripple's future, then you might just be a temporary setback. But if you're more concerned about the short-term volatility, it could be wise to tread carefully and maybe even diversify a bit to hedge against any further legal complications. The SEC's appeal is shaking things up, causing XRP to dip nearly 10% and creating a lot of chatter across the crypto community. But as always, it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions that align with your own risk tolerance and investment strategy. What do you think? Will XRP bounce back from this, or is this the beginning of a bigger downward trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below or join us in our free Discord server. We would love to hear from you. And if you haven't done so already, guys, check out this video right here. And if you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another update.